Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I thought I would do a wear test on these Dashing Diva Magic Press in medium. They're cute. Aren't they cute? So they have the adhesive tabs already on them, but I am going to use the Kiss glue with them. I'm going to do a wear test, so let's see how long they last me. So let's get started. I just cleaned my nails. Everything's off of them. I did my last video that you just saw. I just did, which is the Sally Hansen Spa Collection Peel Off Nail Mask. Yeah, so far so good. Nails need some growing out still. You know the drill. So anyway, I have my Precision Nail Glue Power Flex. I have my tool. So I'm trying not to use my fingers on things, but you know. Oh, open. Here we go. A lot better. So let's open this bad boy up, dump all the fun out. The pink is so cute. There we go. So it comes with this. Let's open it, the tiniest little nail file ever. It comes with a little prep pad. Oh, I'll keep that aside. The instructions. Obviously, the bottom is where the little tab is that you peel off. There's instructions if you need it. Which we don't, so I'm going to set that aside. But I am going to use this. So this is the alcohol prep pad. I'm going to do that before I put everything on, but we're going to, oh, I can use that as the garbage. Throw this away. Okay. So and I will use this. I don't think I need that, but you never know. So the biggest thumb ones is what I'll need. Look at that, because the file, I'm going to get that little white tab off the tip. This is perfect. It's like slightly short, but you know, it's fine, it's fine. So I'm going to pick the bigger one if I can find it. Oh, that looks like the same sizes. That looks the same size. Perfect. I like the sparkles. So let's see what we got. La la la. It's like a little small. Let's see, this one should be fine. Oh, that's better. And should we do a pinky? Let's see. Looks like it fits. Hard to tell when I cover up half my finger, but you know, that's how it goes. Perfect. And I think that one goes good. It shows on the side. I don't think there's another one that's better, maybe. Can you see, is there a number? There's a number on the tab, but it's not like I can read that. Not at all. That's fine. I think that works. Yeah. Okay. Put the rest away. My little buckets. I like to use leftovers and mix and match them. Oh, as I dump them all on the ground. So I'm going to put this away and we'll get started. Three, two, let's get these bad boys on. I'm going to use the prep pad. Just make sure there's no oils or dirt. Rubbing each one. There we go. I was going to use this little tray as a garbage. So there, garbage for the little tabs. Okay. So here's the precision tip. Let's see if I need to get glue off the edge. There we go. Ah, perfect. So I'm just gonna put a dot, smear it around. The tab comes off. I'm gonna just slide it in and press. And then I'm not gonna wash my hands for like an hour. There we go, that's cute. And no oils, you know, all that fun stuff. Avoid. So I'm going to slide that on again. There's a sticky tab already on the back. So they come off super easy, like with the sticky tab and the glue. So that's why I'm going to do the wear test. We'll see how it does with the next couple days of work. Because by Saturday, I'll be more than ready to take them off, and that's when this video will be up and running. Press and hold. Make sure they're all on there. Okay. Okay. Press and hold. Okay, I'm going to do the other hand. I'll be back. 3, 2. Okay, they're all on. I did the second hand. Little dry patch right there. There we go. So I'm just going to get the tiny little file and get the tips all clear. The little white dot off. There we go. And that's basically all you need the file for anyway. Ta-da! They're on. So let's see how long they last me. I will check back with you. Okay, here is an update on my Dashing Diva press-on nails with the adhesive. So I was on a Zoom call tonight. This is the next day. So the next evening. So I lasted like just over, just under a day and a half, let's say. Just under a day and a half. Less than a day and a half. It was just over 24 hours. Who am I kidding? It was yesterday afternoon I put them on. It is about 7:40, 7:45 in the evening. So yeah, I lasted, yeah, like 30 hours. So less than that. So here I am. This one was totally coming off. My middle finger is bent. The thumb was just ready to come off. And I got the thumb off of this one. So yeah, that's what I did during a Zoom meeting for my Color Street business. So here they are. They're in my hand. I'm going to drop them all, but there you go. So yeah, they lasted through the day like really well. And then I probably could have glued them on, but I was over it. And yeah, they are just going to be picked off. So that's it. So my wear test was just over 24 hours. But during that 24 hours, none of them actually popped off at work. And I always have one that comes off the next day. You know, the first full day that I wear them, I always have one that comes off at work. And they didn't this time. So that part I'm impressed with. But other than that, if you don't do hair or you don't have your hair, because you're having your hair wet totally makes a difference in this. No, it doesn't. So if you don't have your hands in soapy water all day for work, you should be fine. So, you know. So if you're doing any job that you need to wash your hands constantly, or wash people's hair, wash pets, you know, and you're not, it's just, that's what's going to happen. So, and the hand that was the worst, I wear gloves when I'm at the shampoo bowl rinsing color out, but this hand, I always fill the glove up with water. Always. I'm getting a little bit better, but the glove was a little damp inside, so I'm sure that's why I lost 3 on that hand. So, you know, didn't help that I picked them all off, but the rest are going to get picked off now. It's just sticky tabs. I'm not hurting my nails. I'm going to go put oil on it and they'll come right off. So I have my little cuticle oil my own little concoction. So I'm going to douse my nails in the cuticle oil. They're going to come right off. No problem. So that's it. That's my update. And it was pretty short and sweet this time. So sorry about that, but I'm going to go put my Color Street Clear as Day, which is just clear tabs, on my nails. That's what's going to happen tonight. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me on this short but sweet wear test on the Dashing Diva nails. And don't forget to like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I appreciate you all. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And that's it. I will see you all next time. Thank you so much. Toodaloo.